At Tower, one of the kind of phrases that we've come up with is venture beyond. You can go and use the products that we make to have that sort of beach lifestyle that we're trying to embody as a brand. So this is really tools where people can go out and live more of a life that they're excited to live. We make products so that people can break the norm, go out, wake up in the morning and go paddleboarding. That's the beauty of paddleboarding, especially, is that a 6-year-old to a 96-year-old could really do it. Anyone who can stand, essentially, can paddleboard. It's really opening this whole new sort of lifestyle, and that's what we really try to embody with the brand. And that's what we've really done with the paddleboards, but that's what we're also trying to continue to do with everything else that we're coming out with.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.